Hi po, may po kayo po. This is your Chef Joy. Good afternoon to everyone, especially to all our viewers on my vlog, Eat with Joy YouTube channel. This is your Chef Joy. Thank you so much for watching po. Magluluto po tayo ngayon ng beef ribs bulalo po. Ayan. Isinalang ko na po kanina pa po yan. Pinakulo ko na po at pinalambot yung ating beef ribs. Ngayon, linagay ko na po yung ating cabbage po at saka yung napa cabbage po. Nauna na po yung green beans dyan para lumambot po siya ng konti. Saka po yung ating red onion, lemongrass, and garlic po. Also black pepper and our fish sauce, yung ating patis. Ayan. Maraming salamat po. Thank you for watching.